So Bitcoin price is dipping below 80K, $80,000. Last time I checked, it was trading around $77,000. And a lot of people are freaking out. A lot of people are, especially the newcomers into Bitcoin from last year when it went to $100,000. A lot of people got into Bitcoin last year because, of course, the all-time high. But then again, people who join Bitcoin or who buy Bitcoin because of the hype when it's making new all-time highs, they don't have enough conviction and they don't have enough, shall I say, financial stamina to go through these dips and to go through these bear markets without selling off. Now, why is Bitcoin dipping below 80K despite the fact that Donald Trump just signed recently the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve? There is all these positive news with regard to the crypto industry and Bitcoin. Now here, I will show you here on my screen, if you can see, the fear and greed index is pointing at extreme fear. So the market now is in extreme fear, okay? And a lot of people are selling, a lot of people are panicking for many reasons, of course. There is the reason of the Trump tariffs. There is war, Ukraine and Russia, the tariffs with Mexico, Canada, China. All these things, I do believe they affect the price, not just of Bitcoin, but actually the entire market is in the red. Not just Bitcoin, the crypto markets, the stock markets, everything is in the red. So here also you can see that stocks fall in US and Asia over Trump tariffs concerns. So the stock market is also losing a lot of money. I think Nvidia lost already 30%, something like that, I'm not sure. Apple as well, Meta, everything is losing money right now. But with regard to the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve, the reason why Bitcoin didn't pump after the signing of the executive order of the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve, I think, I have here an article that I'm going to show you, why investors are disappointed in the first ever White House Crypto Summit. Well, here in the article it says, the executive order did not outline any new purchases, nor did it provide a timeline for government acquisition. So I think a lot of people are disappointed because no mention. Well, the reason why most of the crypto community is disappointed because the crypto or the digital asset stockpile that's not going to have Bitcoin, they literally said they will not buy any crypto assets. They will only keep what they already have, and there is potential of selling those assets. So when it comes to shitcoins, it's not a bullish news, okay? I understand why they are disappointed. But with regard to Bitcoin, they did mention they are going to they will try to acquire more Bitcoin just with budget neutral strategies or whatever. So I'm not completely disappointed in the crypto summit. I think that creating the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve in itself is a good move. It's a positive news for me, at least. And I do believe that the US government, or at least the Trump administration, currently will buy more Bitcoin in the future. I do believe that they will do that. But I think that the Bitcoiners or the crypto community, they were expecting more than that. They were expecting like a timeline. They were expecting some sizable, some big budget to buy more Bitcoin. That's why they are disappointed, and that's why the crypto markets, and especially Bitcoin, didn't reflect the news of the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. But for me, I think it's a positive news. And here is what you need to keep in mind during this whole bear market, which is that you get the opportunity to buy Bitcoin at a discount. There is this great quote by the Rothschild. There's this great quote that says, "Money is made when there is blood in the streets." I actually tweeted about this when Bitcoin dipped to 90 from its all-time high, which was 109, to 90. I'm going to share the tweet with, not the tweet, the post on X. So here's the post. I said, money is made when there is blood on the streets, or in today's terms, on the charts. Now's the time to go buy more Bitcoin. So yeah, Bitcoin was at $88,000 when I posted this post on X. So if you truly believe in Bitcoin, if you have like a long time horizon, you do not want to make a quick buck out of Bitcoin. When you think in terms of 4 years, 8 years, 10 years, 20 years, maybe even, you shouldn't be shaken by this bear market. You shouldn't be shaken at all. In fact, you should look at it as an opportunity to go buy even more Bitcoin and to increase your Bitcoin portfolio at a discount. Who knows? We might never go back to these prices in 4 years from now. You might never see Bitcoin in the 70-ish thousand dollars 4 years from now. So this is a great opportunity to buy even more Bitcoin. And again, you don't have to buy a lot of Bitcoin. You just have to buy what you can afford, or you should buy the amount of Bitcoin that's not gonna make you lose sleep over it. Okay, you are not Michael Saylor. Okay, don't try to be Michael Saylor. You are not Michael Saylor. Don't go into debt to buy Bitcoin. Just buy as much as you can with as much as you can afford, and play the long-term game. That's what you should be doing. Becoming wealthy and becoming rich is actually boring. I mean, you can try all the quick, get-rich-quick schemes with trading or whatever. Very few people make it in that route. But if you wanna do something that is certain and that will make you wealthy and that will make you rich in the future, it's Bitcoin. Keep your job, make money, maybe do some other thing on the side, make more money in fiat terms, take that money and put it into Bitcoin, and it's gonna grow exponentially in the upcoming years. You're gonna outperform everything. And yeah, like I said, not just Bitcoin, the stock market, the S&P 500 is down, the Nasdaq is down, the Dow is down, so everything's down. You shouldn't be worried that it's only Bitcoin. But it's an opportunity for us, like I've said, to buy more Bitcoin. It's an opportunity for us to increase our Bitcoin position. And also, yeah, I forgot to show you guys, there is this article as well about the Bybit hack, which is $1.5 billion. I think this also contributed to why Bitcoin is tanking, because, a lot of people lost trust in crypto in general because of this hack. So, and, for Bitcoiners, we know, not your keys, not your coins. We know that you shouldn't keep your Bitcoin in a central exchange. You should put it in your hard wallets and should have your keys. So people who understand Bitcoin shouldn't be shaken out by what's happening right now. And you shouldn't be expecting, actually, here's the thing. I'm actually glad that Bitcoin is at 70-ish thousand dollars, and I wish it would dip further. I wish this Bitcoin would go to $50,000 or even 30 or even 20. That means more Bitcoin for me, and that means the markets will remove all the skeptics, all people who can't, Bitcoin moves from people who do not have conviction, from the hands of people who do not have conviction, to us people who understand Bitcoin and who have conviction in Bitcoin and who know what's going to happen in 10 years from now. Bitcoin is going to keep going up forever. So yeah, when there is greed, when people are fearful, when people are selling, when people are panicking, that's your cue to go and buy more Bitcoin. And that's your cue to seize the opportunity and do what everybody else is not doing, which is going against the crowd and buy more Bitcoin at a discount. So that's all I have to say in today's video. Let me guys know what you think in the comments below. and see you in the next one. Take care.